Did I show you a picture of him? Did I show you a picture I got of him?
Watch Hiccup Bob. You're from the Old West, aren't you?
Yes, I am. Sorry, quit.
Look straight at me. Bob, look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
God, I wish this was better.
Taping his hiccups.
Sorry.
Video taping his hiccups.
I got a picture of him when his fucking hospital got his ass hanging wide out.
You gotta get rid of that one.
So I think I'm gonna send that to a few people. Everybody's already
Bob.
seen it.
Bob.
Just leave it alone, guys.
Bob.
Just fuck, yeah.
Can you send that to me?
You probably can't have it on your phone.
I don't know if I can or not. All in Northfield.
Put it away.
Hey, you gotta try.
I will. I'll put it away.
Dude, are you gonna be waking up like I have another?
Well, one more. We'll go.
You're not having any more.
Yeah. One more.
You're not having any more. You're riding. You can't ride. You can't ride and fucking drink and
Bob.
ride like that.
Here.
Bob, would you look at me?
You know, I'm getting up.
Yeah, you're gonna chase me with those crushes.
Flying around? Flying around? Or
Yeah,
what?
here.